Yo, what's up, guys? It's just take it once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to update your app on Google Play Store. How you can update your app on Google Play Store. So, let's just go to our Google Play Console account right now. Alright, so I'm logging into my Google Play Console account right now. Okay, so this is my Google Play Console account, and this is the app I want to update. This Ask AI Assistant Chatbot. This is the app I want to update. So, if you want to update your app, the first one, this is the app I want to update. So, click on the app you want to update. So, under the update, go down. So, go down. To store presence. Under store presence, come to main store listing. This way you can change the app name if you want to change the app description, or you want to add any other features with the app you want to update. You can change the screenshots here, right here. You can change everything right here. So if you want to update the app, you are going to go to store setting. Go to release overview. Because so you can see the one that we have rolled out before. This is what we have rolled out before. I've rolled out version 2, version 3. So what I want to roll out now is version 4. What I want to roll out now is version 4. So you go to under production to roll out direct. So under production, click on create new release. So you click on upload. This is where you are going to upload our release. So this is my release. I'm uploading it here right now. So it will take some times for it to show. It will take some time. So just hold on and let it load. And once it's done loading, you click on updating. Okay, I will have to pause this video and wait till. Okay, now it's uploaded. You can see it's added version 4. You can see it right here. It's added there. So click on next. Click on next. You can check the warning if it's something you need to do. You get me? So click on save and go to publishing overview to send for review. So now we have done updating our app. We have done updating our app. You can check it out right now. You can see we are done updating our app. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly like this video, share with your friends, and stay blessed.